Let's learn how to set up automatic payments. Log in to your member portal. From the home page, select Make a Payment. Under Setup and Manage Recurring Payments, you'll need to select your method of payment. If you don't have a credit card or bank account on file, you can add one. Let's add a credit card. After selecting Add New Credit Card, enter your card details, the billing address, and then make sure to scroll down to complete the billing info and select Pay. You'll get this message in the pop-up window indicating that your card was added successfully. Select Close. Back on the Make a Payment screen, click the picture of the card you just added, read through the authorization below, select the I agree box, then click Set up Recurring Payment. Click OK in the pop-up box to complete the process. You'll see a green success notification box in the bottom right, as well as a black banner on the top of the page indicating your policy is set up for recurring payments. Back on the home page, you'll see that your account is now set to Autopay.